Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately. Clean the area with stainless cleaner so grit won't cause new scratches. Once done, dry and inspect to find the metal grain direction. This is critical because you must sand only with the grain. Mask edges to protect counters and fixtures. Begin with a non-abrasive pad or 400-600 grit for visible scratches. Move slowly, using light, even strokes. Keep the pad wet to avoid heat, and check progress every 10-15 strokes to avoid overworking one spot. Once the initial scratch is softened, continue with progressive wet sanding. Go to 800 grit, then 1,200, finishing at 2,000 for a smooth blend. You must sand only along the grain. Cross-grain motion creates new marks. Keep the surface wet and change water frequently to carry away metal particles. Make multiple light passes rather than one heavy pass. This preserves the sink's finish. After the final grit, rinse thoroughly and dry. You'll see the scratch minimized and the surface ready for polishing. You finish by applying a small amount of fine stainless polish and buffing with a clean microfiber in long strokes following the grain. Once the sheen is even, wipe off residue and apply a thin coat of mineral oil to protect and enhance appearance. Make sure to inspect edges and the basin under bright light. If a deep gouge remains visible, don't keep oversanding. Stop and consider professional resurfacing or part replacement because aggressive grinding can distort the sink. If minor streaks appear,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.